Long-range weather talk on the talk. I'm Chief Meteorologist Carson Vickroy, and we're going to talk about what we could see for the remainder of June. And in typical East Texas June fashion, folks, it's going to be hot and humid, and some days we are going to have about a 20% chance of a few isolated showers and thunderstorms. A lot to get to in this setup. I know it looks colorful, it looks confusing, it looks like a bunch of meteorologist nerd stuff going on behind me. Well, this is this morning's run of the European model, and what it's showing you are strong winds over the Midwest. That's where you see all the colors, and this is about 3,000 feet above the surface, so some of that wind will be at the surface, not quite as intense, of course, but what you will see are southerly winds, and that's bringing in a lot of that Gulf moisture. So not only will we be humid, we're going to see some fairly stout humidity in the Midwest as well. And this is being driven by a ridge of high pressure out to our east, with the model run being valid early Sunday morning. And this is going to be the stagnant weather pattern we see through next week. So the closer to the Gulf you are, the better your chance of rain. As I mentioned before, the best chance of rain is going to be the closer you are to the Gulf Coast. That's where that Gulf moisture is going to have more of an influence on our weather pattern. Now, this is probably not going to amount out to much because you're not going to see rain every day, but there's a good chance over the next several days you could see a heavy downpour or two, especially closer to the Houston and Beaumont area. But the heaviest rain, again, well to the south of Interstate 20 and portions of deep East Texas around the lakes, and then into the Houston-Beaumont vicinity. Comparing model runs now, this is the European AI model, which again can be scary accurate at times, and then sometimes it gets it completely wrong. But it's fairly consistent with our QPF product in showing the heaviest rain along the coast over the next week. This is valid through next Thursday morning. We're favored to see above average precipitation from June 27th through July 3rd. This is the 8 to 14 precipitation outlook that the Climate Prediction Center releases. And again, folks, this is good news because we don't want to dry out at this time of year. A little bit of rain goes a long way. During this same time frame, I do think we're going to be favored to see slightly above normal temperatures with highs generally in the low to middle 90s, maybe some upper 90s to our west. But again, I don't have any triple digits in the forecast anytime soon. Y'all make it a great Thursday night.